time to play. We're learning design in a fun new way with Miss C and Cash. It's time to create, explore design in different ways. Are you ready? Now let's go, friends. Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Miss C and this is Design Elementary, where we learn, grow, and create together. Now today's letter is icon. Say it again, icon. Say it one more time. Icon. Icon. Icons are little pictures that mean something really big, but let's spell it first. I-C-O-N. Other I words that you might know are ice, invitation, insects, you know, the things that crawl around. Now, let's play a quick round. I'll show you an icon and you shout out what it means. Are you ready? Let's go. Good job. Let's do another one. Good job. Icons are small but powerful, just like you. Even small actions like a smile or a kind word can make a big difference. Now let's see what Cash has to share with us today. Did you know emojis are icons too? Like, really? Designers make them simple, so small, so people all over the world can understand them. It's what we call universal. Want to try something fun with AI? Now let's ask Gemini, can you help me design a new icon for kindness? And let's see what designs pop up. Now it's your turn. Let's draw an icon from something you love. Maybe it's a cupcake, a soccer ball, your pet. I is for icon, small and bright, helping people day and night. Designers speak with image power and icons help us, what? Every hour. Now, on to our next letter, but remember to like, share, subscribe, and join the fun at Design Elementary. And as always, parents, remember to download our activity today. But one more thing, you're creative, you are a solution, you have a big mind, and you are God's gift to the earth. Until next time, friends, bye!
Parents, we get it. It might be difficult to find fun and engaging activities for your little ones. But no worries, there's a solution. This is where creativity meets education, and it's called Design Elementary. My name is Miss C, and I'm so excited to have your little ones join me on a self-paced 8-week course that's perfect for 5 to 10-year-olds. And guess what? You can join as easy as ABC at... I can't wait to teach your little ones.